This is a small video regarding how you can transfer the files from your personal Google account Classroom to the G Suite Classroom, all files together at a time. So I have gone through the YouTube videos also. I was trying to find out the solution, but I couldn't find even in the internet also. So I have explored the different options. So that's what I wanted to share with you. By that your job will be easy. So that's what I am going to explain how things can be done. But the reason is that if only few files are there, 3 or 4 files are there from one class to the another class, that can be transferred. But if you are having the files more than 5 GB or 6 GB, already we are having that much. I am having almost 6 to 7 GB files. So to do all this copy paste, it's not so simple thing. So our final objective is now transferring the files from our Google account to the G Suite account. The whatever the students posted. So those things how we can do the step by step I will explain. Let's see, by that things will be clear to you. Now I will take you to the screen. This is my G Suite drive. It is. So first try to understand where it is saving the files, whatever the students are posting, where it is saving that. First you try to understand where these are saving. If you see here, so this is how interface will be look like. If you see here, it is the classroom option. You can see classroom, or you can go to the my drive. If you click the my drive also, here also you can see the files. So here you can click the classroom. So this is the drive which is related to the your Google Classroom. So these are the files which have been created by you. Okay, there you can see these are which have been created by me. So what I will do now, the files the same way in my personal drive also. So this is my personal drive. You can see here the icon is different here. So this is here the files I am having already in Google Classroom. So literally what you have to do now, you have to transfer the files from here to there. Now what you have to do, so from here I will click the classroom. So if I wanted to transfer the files of class 12 for example, so this is the class 12 file which I have transferred already. I have transferred already, so that is the reason much files are not showing there. So here different are there like 10th A, 9th A, whatever 9th A and B. So what I will show you 10th one, how you can do. Okay, so here you can see the files all are there. The material which you have shared are the assignments. So this is the assignment, for example, class 4 acids and bases exercises part 3. It is there. So I will explain this one to how we can transfer. Now what you have to do, you can do individually class by class, or you can do together also. So that's what up to you what you can do. What you can do now, go to classroom. Then what you can do here, here 3 dots are there, you click there, then you click on the download option. Okay, or if you want to 10th class, 9th class, whatever it is, separately whatever the classes related to you, so individually that also can be done. So what I am doing here, the download can be done. So since already that I have downloaded, this you can download, that will download it as a zip file. So if you are downloading it as a together classroom, all classes together, that will ask you permission, multiple files want to be downloaded, then you can give the access to that one to the Chrome. That's how all files will be downloaded. So once downloaded, where that files will be saved, that also I will show you. You go to the downloads in your system. So here all the classes have been downloaded now. We can see this is the 2 GB, almost 2 GB, 2 GB, 6 GB. So more than 6 GB files it is. Now what you have to do, this is WinRAR zip application it is. So from here to, you have to extract to the normal file. So from here you cannot directly upload in your Google Classroom. Now what you have to do, you have to open after the downloading. That downloading will take some time due to the based upon that network issue. If you are having good internet connection, that will take 5 minutes only. If you don't have good internet connection, that will take even 1 hour also, based upon size also, that depends. So you can just download and you can do some other work later. You can come back to work. So what you can do, this is the classroom. So section now as a class wise you can extract it to the folder. So what I will do now, class 12th for example. So what we were doing now, class we have extracted. Now what I will do, class 10th AB I will extract to the desktop. You have to extract in the desktop. So in the desktop only I have whatever I have done in the for class 12th chemistry, that is only showing here. Now I want it to 10th class. Now what I will do, I will go to the desktop. I will create one new folder there. Sorry. I will create a new folder here of class 10. Okay. So this I have created now. I will extract all the files of zip file to here. So now once again I will go back there where here where it is my drive. So this one, oh, class 10th AB. Okay, this we were talking about, right? So here whatever the class you wanted to extract, that folders you can create on the desktop, then you can do. And individual also you can download, that's up to you as I said already. So here what I will do, I will extract to the desktop. I will click on the desktop. So this WinRAR application will be in every system. Almost this will be in every system. So make sure that that is there. Then I will extract to here. So here files are uploading. Files are extracting to that particular folder. So here it is 12% is completed. Different files like classwork, homework, everything is getting uploaded now. So this will take time. So what I will show you now, whatever the 12th class which I have already downloaded, that I will show you the steps. So 12th class, it is there now. So this is the classworks, homework, the files, whatever it is posted, material, everything is here. Now what I have to do, simply now this folder I have to upload in our G Suite account. If I do, then each and everything will be interlinked with this drive. Then what I will do, I will upload this one, or I will show you, let it complete of this one. So still it is 64% it is completed. Once it is completed, then I will show you this 10th class only. So till now we have collected the students classwork and homework together. So better what you do, that files you post both in classwork and different sections, section A, section B. In both sections you can post that one. So it is 87% now. Okay, let it be completed. Now I think you would have understand now till now. And watch this video at least 2 to 3 times, by that you can understand. So by watching this video only one time you cannot understand. Wherever the doubt, just you pause there, then you can along while watching the video only just try to do these things, then that will be easy. Otherwise you will get confused because you have to extract the files if it is new for you. If you are already familiar, then that will be fine. So here already I have extracted the files to the class 10th class. Let me open this. Now each and every files have been extracted here. Okay, so for example exercises, here students files are also there already, and material, each and every material will be there. Now what I have to do now, this folder I have to upload in my G Suite folder. So what I will do now, that I will close, I will go to my G Suite classroom. What I have to do, you have to click on my drive, go to, or you can just simply go to the, oh no, it's let me open drive, and from starting just to interface how it will be, that also you can come to know. So this is how it will be initially. Now you can see the folder of classroom. Okay, now the 10th class, whatever the folders are there, that I have to find it now. So here if I click 10th A, 10th B chemistry, different are there. Now I have to upload the files of whatever I have extracted into my desktop. Into this is G Suite account, right? And this is the classroom, which is interrelated with the classroom. So here if I go to my G Suite classroom, if I see the files here, I don't see here. Okay, if I go to for example 10th B, the 10th A I have opened, right? So 10th A. So there the files are not there. Now that files need to be connected. Now what you have, so it's taking time. So what we can do, meanwhile, I will show you how to do that one. Okay, now it came. So here nothing is there. So classwork, you go to there you can see here class drive folder. If you see class drive folder, nothing files, no, nothing are there files. So now, so I have to bring the files here in my G Suite classroom. So what I will do now, I will click here. I have to bring that files. For that one, you click on the option new, then you select the folder upload. Okay, we select the folder upload, then desktop, this classroom. What I will do, I will upload. So upload 313 files to this site, that is intimating how many files, that is 313 files. So that will be uploaded now. So it will take some more time. Okay. So meanwhile, I will show my 12th class files. So which I have done together. So no, it's not my it's my personal. Here I will take you to the 12th class. Here if you see, okay, these are the recently I have posted quizzes and classwork. So files, all the homework have been done. So it's like a archive, the whatever the. So currently whatever it is running, that you create the assignment and tell them to post there. But if it is already completed, what you can do, so here it is the classwork. I will show you the class drive folder. If I click a class drive folder, here whatever I have uploaded, that folder is there. So class 12. So each and everything is coming in my G Suite now. So it is interlinked with the my G Suite classroom. So students also can watch it now. All the files, whatever it is there, students also can download it now. Whatever they want, they can do. So now let us check what happened to the. Okay, it will take time now. Oh, it is because it's uploading file folder, that will take time. Now I think it is clear to you what you have to do. Classwork and go to the, it's not class drive folder. Yes, class drive folder. There every file is there. So if you want to create something which is already there, what you can do, as like it is coming. The same way if you want to bring, so what you have to do, go to the create and like add Google Drive. Here you have to add the Google Drive. Then our drive will open. My drive, go to the My Drive. So this is the class files, right? So that you open. Okay, so for example, this P block element, okay, it's not. I will take older ones. My Drive, classroom, class 12, here, class 12. This is the folder which I have uploaded. So if students have, for example, let me take summer vacation homework, all this homework, if the same earlier assignments, the same way if you want to show, I think that is not required, because now students can download, or students can, whatever the material is there. If still you wanted to show to the students in same manner, you can press the Control A. So all files will be selected, then you can do the insert. Then students also can check whether that assignment is they have completed or not. So that's how 7 files can be inserted. So that's how all files you can transfer together. So that's what about this video. Now I think this I made your job easy now, because transferring of files from each and everything, doing copy paste means that's not so simple job, right? So I hope this one is useful for you. So let me check whether it is downloaded it or not. A win file, whatever it is. Uploaded. Okay, that is uploading. The way I think now this process is clear to you, the same way you can do now. I hope this will be useful for you. Now you can transfer all the files, each and every classes together, you can transfer now. Thank you.